issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Columbia County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, central Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, northeastern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:02 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over eastern Madison, moving southeast at 45 miles an hour. At 6 p.m., the Madison Airport reported a wind gust to 60 miles an hour with this storm. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Madison, Janesville, Fitchburg, Middleton, Stoughton, Verona, Oregon, McFarland, Monona, Milton, Edgerton, Sauk City, Cross Plains, Shorewood Hills, Maple Bluff, Lake Koshkonong, Fulton, Albion, Utica, and Rockdale. People attending the Dane County Fair should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room